Ako naman, yung sinulat ko, I was almost 12 years old. I was in New York. Nagtry ako nagsulat. Never ko na-release. It was called Yeah. About...
It was called Yeah.
It was called Yeah.
How old were you?
12. I was turning 12.
Alam mo yung kay Usher? Siya yung nagsulat nun.
Oo. Na-bore lang ako eh. Sabi ko, marunong ko ba magsulat? Yeah! Sabi, that's nice. Yeah! 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 Patuloy-tuloy na lang ako. Sabi ko, sige na nga, magsulat na lang ako. Yeah! 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 Pero, hindi, totoo.
What's
Nagsulat
it
ako.
about?
It's about a girl that I had a crush and I couldn't talk. When I first came into this town and I saw you walking down the street. It was 1990s, okay? You were so cool, I'm crazy for you. My smile went to my feet. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're fooling around kasi hindi niya ako pinapansin. You're letting me down, yeah. So it's a very up-tempo, groovy song na sinulat ko. Tapos ibibigay ko sana sa kanya. Tapos yun, nalaman ko pala, jowa ng best friend ko.
Oh, so sad.
12 ako nun. So,
Dapat nilabas mo na lang yung songs.
hindi, tinago ko na lang, tinapon ko na lang yung kantang yun. Sabi ko, kaya yung sinulat ko after nun, yung no, 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 didn't say yeah, yeah.
Ano naman, no.
Naging no na.